Storm chaser for this money, never heard of later. Rainmaker, more haters, vests, more layers. Outside, more prayers. This money come and bring treacherous behavior, can't waver. Tired of failure, tip the scales, freedom or sell. I'm living in hell, trying to live well. To my enemies, trying to bid farewell. Pockets looking more swell. Let it rain, coming from this violence and pain. Time I see a different way from all this disarray. This rain falling, washing the stains. Never been okay. My revenge, my getaway. My debt always been paid. On my own, never needed the aid. Looking for a storm, this pain been my norm. Looking for my situation to transform. From all this thirst and hurt over exert. Putting in this work, my demons trying to divert. Same people in your face, no alerts. Keep trying to make this money rain more immersed. Poor since birth, millionaire trying to be the first. Before I'm off in that hearse, for my life these shells are dispersed. Can't get any worse, can't stop putting in this work until I'm under the dirt. Let it rain all day, this hunger can't stay. Been awake, no more may I, I'm here to take these bones to break. More stakes, storm chaser, can't wait. Day night, until I get a full plate. This money calling, fuck how late. This money calling, fuck how late.